How to fix WhatsApp stuck on loading screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix WhatsApp stuck on loading screen. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. So let's jump right in. To fix WhatsApp stuck on loading screen, first check your internet connection. So swipe down from the top and ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try switching between mobile and mobile data to see if one works better. And if it does, that means that there is a problem with your network, so switch to a better internet. And that should fix your problem. If not, update your WhatsApp. Open up your Google Play Store or App Store. Then search for WhatsApp. And after you're there, check if there is an update available. If there is, update your WhatsApp. And if that does not fix it, try to restart your device. Press on the power and volume up button. You'll find the restart option. Tap on it and restart your phone to clear up any temporary glitches. Now moving on to app-specific fixes. First, head over to your settings. On your settings, go to Apps. From here, search for WhatsApp and head over to Storage and Cache. From here, tap on Clear Cache and clear out the cache of your Wi-Fi, WhatsApp. After you clear out your cache, you can also clear out your data or storage if clearing the cache does not work. So after you clear out every storage, this will delete temporary files and may require you to set up WhatsApp again. So just do that. If this does not do it, go back one step, head over to App Info and tap on the Force Stop option. And then open it up again, and that should fix your problem. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.